lay it over the canine tooth, get a good grip, and then just kind of dig in. All right, here we go.
Man, and I'm here with Woody, and I was just asking Woody what he thought was a good tip that every guy needs to know how to do, and his answer was pretty awesome, and we're actually going to do it right now. He said every guy needs to know how to open a bottle with their teeth. So Woody's going to actually show us how to do that, because I don't even know how to do that.
Well, okay, all right. Welcome back, everybody. As Chris said, we're gonna teach you guys some tips, some of the things that we feel every man should know how to do. Today's subject is gonna be about the importance of oral hygiene and just how important healthy gums and healthy teeth actually are. You know, when I was growing up, you know, we learned to play music with the spoons and learn how to open bottles with our teeth. That's one reason you want to have healthy teeth, so you can open up a beer bottle if you don't have an opener or something like that. So I'll just demonstrate that. There is a method to this madness, okay? You always want to make sure that you use your bottom teeth, okay? And you want to find your nice groove in the cap, and you want to lock that groove over your, I actually don't know the scientific name for this particular tooth right here, but it's
canine?
Is that what it is? There we go.
I think so, yeah.
Yep, the canine. You want to lay it over the canine tooth, get a good grip, and then just kind of dig in. All right, here we go.
Nice.
There you go. It is early in the morning, but I'm just gonna take a swig just for the hell of it. You can do things like that when you take proper care of your teeth, right? Right? You know,
You have strong teeth if you...
don't try this at home.
Yeah.
Unless you've been doing these things that I'm about to explain right now, okay? Chris, you being a health expert, you know the importance of healthy teeth, healthy gums. It keeps us healthy, keeps us from getting sick. Feel free to jump in if there's anything else that you know about teeth or gums. But I just want to go over some basic things. You know, if you're the average man out there, we all have done it. We've all gone to bed without brushing. We've all gotten up in the morning, left the house without brushing. So I'm not gonna sit up here and pretend like I brush and floss every single night, right? But I do try to make sure that I do it as soon as I get a chance, okay? Flossing's probably gonna be your most important thing of all right?
Yeah.
Making sure your teeth.
The one that the least amount of people do.
Exactly. But
no, I don't do it.
But it's going to be very, very important. As you know, a good diet also is going to help with a lot of this, as far as like, you know, bad breath, that sort of thing. You know, whatever we put into our body comes out in our breath, in our skin, and in our scalp. Let's just talk about a few things that you can do. You don't necessarily have to do them all, but if you incorporate them every now and then, you know, in your routine, it'd be great. You know, get yourself a nice mouthwash, okay? Even sometimes if you can't you're not in a situation where you can actually brush, it's always good to have a nice, strong mouthwash, and you always just take a couple swigs and spit it out, and you're good to go until you can get somewhere where you can actually brush your teeth, okay?
Well, what's the characteristic of a good mouthwash that a guy can, so they know if they're getting something good or?
Yeah, well, there's a lot of choices out there, but I believe in doing it the old-fashioned way. So I just, you know, I like to stick to the alcohol-based things, but there's a lot of like natural things out there too. There is alcohol is natural at a certain level also, but there's also some peppermints. You know, there's the coconut rinsing, which you were mentioning earlier. You know, you can do things like that. But me personally, I'll rinse my mouth off with straight rubbing alcohol if there's nothing else around. Okay.
This one says 80%.
Yeah, this is 80% exactly. This is almost pure. This
you
is
drink
like
this. You're
you drink this and you're falling on your face. Okay, because this has to be diluted. Then you want to get yourself a good toothpaste. Now, if you're super old school and you're my age, you probably remember the days of actually brushing your teeth with pure baking soda. Okay, we used to find it in our grandmother cabinets, and I used to use that. That works fine, if not better than anything else.
Yeah.
We like to sell Marvis here because Marvis has been making toothpaste for over 100 years, and we carry a lot of brands that have been doing it for a long time. Yeah. So get yourself a good toothpaste. Toothbrushes, very important. Too many guys use the same toothbrush over and over again. you should be replacing your toothbrush at least every 60, 90 days max.
Oh yeah.
Okay? And if you can get away from the plastic ones and go to an all-natural boar bristle brush, it's way better. It's way better on the gums. Once again, like I talked about before, flossing. Flossing is very important. They make natural floss now. That's what we sell here, and that's probably going to be your best bet. So
That's made out of silk.
this is made out of pure silk.
Cool.
And those are your tips of the day on healthy oral hygiene, men's survival tips.
Awesome.